There's been over 130,000 confirmed cases of the coronavirus, including over 4,600 deaths and thousands in critical condition. The virus had already spread in over 113 different countries. Your chances of catching this life-threatening virus increases each day. The most important thing when we come face-to-face with any virus is our immune system. Without a strong immune system, no matter how many times you wash your hands or how hard you try to avoid public places, you only need one encounter with the virus to catch it. So in this video, I will show you some of the best things you can consume to ensure you've given your immune system the boost it needs to help defend you against the deadly coronavirus and dramatically increase your chances of survival. Drinking enough water is crucial. It doesn't only provide hydration and give us glowy skin, but it flushes out all the toxins and cleanses the whole body, which helps support a strong immune system. Blueberries are an antioxidant that help your body fight off disease. Blueberries also have a natural antihistamine effect, which help reduce symptoms of allergies. I eat blueberries every single morning with my oatmeal. On top, I also like to sprinkle cinnamon. Cinnamon has one of the highest levels of antioxidants among all spices. It's also anti-inflammatory and has antibacterial properties. Vitamin D is not only good for the bones, but it also supports your immune responses to viral infections. A great source of vitamin D is fatty fish, such as salmon. Here I'm frying a couple of salmon burgers, serving them with gluten-free pasta and vegetables for added nutrition. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli are high in so many vitamins and minerals that help the immune system run in top form. Sulforaphane, a chemical found in these vegetables, switch on your antioxidant genes which combat free radicals in your body and prevent you from getting sick. Did you know 1 cup of broccoli provides as much vitamin C as an orange? Comment down below, which one would you rather eat? Green tea contains antioxidants that boost immunity. Studies show that an antioxidant found in the green tea is a powerful antibacterial and an antiviral, and it can kill off even the influenza virus. Thank you for watching and stay healthy, my friends.